Bill. Thanks, man. Camera shy.
So that's why. Yeah, big workspace for us.
They ran a perfect offense against that defense. Coach Pop put them in great positions to be successful.
Played a great first game, made some mental mistakes that we hopefully don't make now. Game one, it was a very hard game. We came out gunning the second. Friends through the drafts. I mean, a lot of guys in our class did. I saw him play in high school when he was at King and Riverside.
What? Of a headline saying that he hell freezes over, he outscored Klay.
I feel like they can play with anybody. Their system is so good and they know what they're doing. So, and they're an extremely veteran team.
It's my respect for him. Obviously, I work for him, but he's done a lot for me in my personal life too. And,